I spent 6 days visiting friends in Barcelona and Madrid, and man, did I eat my heart out. I didn't document everything I ate because I wanted to be present with my friends, but I did capture some of the deliciousness to share with you guys. In Barcelona, I stayed in a cute boutique hotel called the Sonder Hotel. It was so adorable and central to everything and had the most amazing view of Paseo de Gracia, which is a main street with lots of shops and access to public transportation. Our first stop on my food adventure was Mercado de la Boqueria, which is a famous market with tons of food and goodies. These caught my eye because they look like a combo of an empanada and a burrito, and I picked the paella and it was pretty good. The next thing that caught my eye were the Iberico pork morcilla y criollo sausages from a type of black pig. The meat was rich and soft. Got an interesting taste. And of course, I had to have some jamon iberico and manchego cheese, my happy place. We decided to have dinner by the beach at Chiroy. And of course, we ordered the entire menu, some pan con tomate, burrata, and these little fried shrimp served with an egg, and they were so good. These cod fritters were absolutely divine as well, served with like a garlic aioli, so good. We ordered these little coquina clams, which are a must try, and of course the seafood paella. You can't be in Barcelona and not eat a paella. The next day, on the way to the train station, I grabbed a chorizo bocadillo, my favorite chorizo sandwich. Sitges is a cute little coastal town with tons of restaurants and shops, and if you go, you've got to try La Caleta. One of my favorite tapas is patatas bravas, just the most amazing potatoes you'll ever eat. And this tortilla de camarones, or shrimp fritters, is a must try. After lunch, we walked the promenade and stopped by this cute little ice cream shop, and I got a Kinder and dulce de leche flavored ice cream. Oh, I wish they had that in the States. Next stop, Madrid. I had to have the famous garlic shrimp or gambas al ajillo a la casa del abuelo. But the best one was at Tixtu, what I imagine a Spanish grandmother's food would taste like. And of course, we had to stop by the Mercado de San Miguel, which is similar to La Boqueria in Barcelona. I was stuffed from lunch, but I love olives and they had so many variations. And there were so many sangrias to choose from, but my eyes went directly to the albarino and passion fruit because I love both, and it did not disappoint. To continue our cocktail journey, we stopped by the secret rooftop garden, which was absolutely adorable, and I ordered a spiked strawberry milkshake. But the cocktail that stole my heart was the Puerto de India, which is served with tonic and gummy bears, and I literally ordered it everywhere I went. Well, there you have it, guys. Food is definitely how I connect to people and places, and I can't wait to recreate some of these dishes and bring España to you.